So we're on our way to, where are we going? Maragusai, which is that city right down, that little town right down there that you saw a second ago. And this has kind of been this road is just crazy. It's not completely finished, like paved like this is. We had to have people hop off the bike so we could ride them up. And yeah, it's just been a little crazy getting to this point, but this is beautiful, so yeah. I didn't realize this had a waterfall too, but apparently there's a waterfall. So let's start climbing that way. All right, let's go. I should have known from the sign, but I definitely was not expecting a waterfall. This is crazy, look at it. One of the coolest waterfalls I've seen on my trip is this one. So we're off to Heaven's Peak next to have a lunch, and then I don't know where we're going after that. Yeah. You can see behind me, we are at Heaven's Peak, and we're gonna have lunch here today. And just this view out of the parking lot is crazy looking. Like, in this valley, this town, you look behind me, just see that. Wow. Survived that, but on the way up I kicked a step. My feet take so much damage. I swear. I don't do it on purpose. We just had lunch, and now we're taking off the leaves to go to Wakon, another resort. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do there. And then after that, we're going to the hot springs. So, nice adventure today. Great view here, good lunch. On to the next spot. We're at the next resort, and coming to realize that in the Philippines, resort means something different than what it means back home in America. The last one actually was it seemed like a resort, what I would think of as a resort, but these places seem more like little attractions or amusement parks type deals, or just swimming holes. But a cold spring is normally what they focus around, or a hot spring. This one is a cold spring, and the cold spring seems to be nice. Oh, this one has water slides. This is a cool place. Yeah, this one's more expensive than the other one, so we just kind of hopped in real quick and took a look around, and now we're gonna go to the hot spring. So see you guys there. So we went to the hot springs for a little bit and then decided to head back, kind of, and now we're gonna get pizza. And Filipino pizza is very interesting. It's a decent amount different than pizza get back home. That was good. Yeah, the pizza's a lot different here than it is back home, as it want to be in different countries on the other side of the world. Obviously going to have differences of the same foods. But I think we're going to head back now. So I'm going to hop back on the bike and see you guys at the back of the house. So we had a flat tire, so now we're walking up to go get a tire change. Fun stuff. It's more fun the Philippines. And we were so close to the town, so close. I had to go there. Happens though. Alright, so I just got back. Got a little sun today on my hands. I forgot to put sunscreen on my hands, so little sun on my hands and my feet. A little bit of a rough end of the day with the flat tire, but we got it patched up. Didn't take terribly long, and we avoided rain, so that's good. But we're now back at the house, and I'm just gonna relax and probably do some editing. So see you guys next time. All right, bye.